Assalamu alaikum. The topic of my this video is Mutex, and we will do coding related to Mutex in Ubuntu Linux. So let's start. First of all, we have to open the terminal. I will open the terminal by using the command Control Alt and T. So now it has appeared. To open the first code, I will write gedit question1.c. Now as you can see, it has been appeared. तो ये वाली जो हैं ये libraries include की हुई हैं, and here we have declared a semaphore. This function is to be executed by each thread. Sem underscore wait and sem, this is the wait decrement, the semaphore, and then it will print this a line that the thread will id this will go to the log, and this is the critical section basically. Then sleep for 2 seconds and then post an increment, so the thread will be exit. Now in int main, the main in the main function, p thread equals to tid1 tid2. Here we have declared the thread IDs. Then we will initialize a semaphore with value 1 shared between threads of same process. Then we will create two threads each running the function f1, uh, and then we will wait for both the threads tid1 and tid2 to be finished. In the last, we will destroy the semaphore to clean up the resources, and return 0 is used to indicate the full successful completion of the code. Now to check its output, we will simply cross this and we will write here gcc question1.c dot underscore 8 dot out. So thread with this ID got logged, then after sleep for 2 seconds, thread with this ID got log. And now we will move to question number 2, gedit space question2.c. So here is another code, and in this code, these are the libraries that we have used. Here we have declared a semaphore. This is again the thread function. Here we have waited decrement in the semaphore. In this line we can get the current value of the semaphore. Here we will print the thread ID in the semaphore state. After all these things, we will exit the thread and enter into the main code. In the main code, we made an array to hold the thread IDs, and the array is of size 5. Int value is equal to I initial. Then we will initialize the semaphore with value 3 shared between the threads of the same processes, and then we will create 5 threads each running the function f by using a loop. And here we have done a sleep for 3 seconds. Then we will do the main thread post increments in the semaphore. After that, we will get the current value of the semaphore, and again we will apply the sleep for 3 seconds. Then again main thread post increments semaphore again, then current value of the semaphore, and then we will wait for all the threads to finish. And after finishing all the threads, we will destroy all the semaphores and return 0 is done after the successful completion of the code. Now we will check its output. gcc question2.c dot backslash 8 dot out. So here is the output thread with ID. This is, so it is loading. So this is the output. Now we will move to question number 3. In question number 3, here are the libraries we have used, and we will using a semaphore condition for the variable. And here is the child thread starts. Then we will increment in the semaphore to signal the parent thread. Then the child threads end and the child will exit. The thread ID for the child has been declared, and then initialize the semaphore. We will initialize the semaphore with the value 0, and after the completion of child thread, the parent thread starts. Parent thread creates child thread that runs function f. Then we will wait decrement the semaphore blocking until the child threads post. Then we will print parent as the parent thread continues after receiving the signal from the child. Then we will wait for the child to finish, and then we will use this line to destroy the semaphore to clean up the resources, and return 0 is for the successful completion of the code. We'll save it and we will cross it. GCC question 3.c. So here is the output, and so this is today's video. Thank you for watching it.